Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be going through some tips in the future videos. So this will just be kind of tip number one here of for your trapping shed, what's actually really useful in there. So one thing that I've found that's very nice to have is a lot of basically rags to kind of clean up stuff that you don't really want to use good towels or anything like that on. So what I usually do is just cut up old shirts like that, toss them in a box like this, or a bucket, I suppose, and try to fill it up for the season because you actually go through a lot more than what you think. So what we'll actually do is we'll go ahead and we'll cut up both of these shirts here that I have. Just old, worn out, can't really use them anymore, so I'll go ahead and get these going here. And yeah, just kind of one of those shorter videos to kind of help you guys out. Something that you can use them for instead of just throwing them away. So, kind of help. Alright, and just like that, got those two shirts all finished off there. I'll turn this off here. So, good amount of actual rags right here. Should last a really long time. And by the time I'm done and ready for the season, which is in 2 months, I'll probably have a couple more shirts, say 3 or 4, and have the bucket full, and we'll be ready for the season to clean up a lot of grease and stuff like that that comes off of pellets, especially raccoons that we're going to be doing a lot of this season. They're very greasy, as you know, so a lot of cleanup is necessary. So it's really good to have a ton of rags so you don't have to be super conservative about them. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any tips or anything that you guys usually do to kind of help cut costs for the season. As I know right now, prices are really bad. Coyotes are still kind of holding steady at least. Most are getting sold at the auctions. But raccoons in particular, there's not really much of a buyer's market for them, sadly, right now. So with that being one of the main staples of my line, that's going to really make me kind of tighten my belt, make sure everything I do is really, really good. So there's nothing really wasting money. So trying to save money where you can, especially during these rough seasons here. You know, trapping goes up and down, like always. Slowly been trending down, but hopefully it bounces back up in the meantime, or there's a new market that we're able to sell to. You just never know. You can only hope. But yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching.